What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another unboxing video to share with you guys. This box was sent to me by Mr. Shaker MT. Once again, give this guy a follow on Instagram. He is a huge reason why you guys have daily knife content on this channel. Big part of it. At Shaker MT 1970. I'll show that one more time. Go ahead and give him a follow. Awesome guy. Thanks so much, Shaker. I have no idea what's in this box. I'm very intrigued. He keeps dropping hints, but I know it'll be interesting. He's a great guy. If you're new to my channel or you've been watching for a while, either way, if you'd like to support this channel, you can follow the link down in the description to my Patreon. And if you join, there's some of the lower tiers. I've got some stickers available, the Metal Complex logo sticker and also the Metal Knight helmet sticker, which I really like. There's also once a week Patreon exclusive content available to everyone who joins any tier, even the $1 tier. So if that sounds interesting to you and you'd like to help me reach my new goal of 90 patrons and support this channel at the same time, then that would mean the world to me. So check out that link. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box. As usual, the Rainbow Lady of the Sea is the knife of choice for today's unboxing. You can find her down in the description as well, alongside many other really nice knives, whether they be high-end production or budget. There's also knife maintenance items down there and some other stuff. So whatever your itch is, go ahead and use my description to scratch it. What do we have here? So I'll tell you what Shaker told me before I pull this out. He said, this is a lot. So if you saw on my Instagram, he sent me a hat with my logo on it, which is really cool. I really appreciate that. By the way, did you guys know I'm on Instagram at metal_complex? But he was like, the next item is more practical. That's all I know. What? Whoa. Wait a sec. What's going on here? Okay, now wait a sec. He just sent a whole bunch of knives. Wait. So maybe this is meant for, these are knives meant for review. He doesn't. I mean, like, Shaker's a generous guy, but he doesn't mean, if there are knives in here, he doesn't mean for me to keep them. Well, let's see what these are. Okay, so whoever's watching this right now, this is just a very unexpected video. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. A whole bunch. Okay, interesting. There we go. That is not a maker I'm familiar with. What do we have here? M390? Wow. Okay. Awesome. That's an interesting one. Nice action on that guy. I like the bulky construction on it. Very cool. How about this one? Oh yeah, I remember this. Okay, now I'm now I'm remembering. This is yet a different box. So this is the Freeman push button folder. Okay, Shaker, I'm sorry. I'm remembering our whole conversation now about the group of knives that you were going to send me for review. So yeah, these are all meant for review. Very cool. This is my first time handling this Freeman. This is a beast of a knife. This is bigger than I thought, but in a good way. Oh man, that feels good. I love those lines that they do on the blade. Yes, you can feel them. I actually like how they put Freeman on the blade, and normally I would be like, don't put billboarding on there, but I actually really like it. That is very cool. Very cool. Let's move this box out of the way and also make sure that I've got everything out of it. Yes, I do have everything completely out of that box. Okay, great. So we still have this box and this box to do. Let's do the Spyderco. Hey, awesome. Is this the, oh my gosh, I better get this right. This is the Chaparral, right? Let's make sure. Yeah, okay. Is that right? I don't know. Oh, no. No, that's a Shaman box. This is a Chaparral, right? I'm pretty sure that this is a Chaparral. Okay, I love it immediately. This is a special version. I think this is the one with the, is this titanium or is it steel? I can't remember. I'll have to look that up. People are rolling their eyes, I'm sure. But yeah, I really like this. This is cool. Okay, wonderful. Let's lay these out right here. Boop. And this guy right here. And the Microtech, I think I know what this one is. I'm going to try and get this out without ruining your box, because anybody who doesn't know, Microtechs like to put that thing on there, and you can really mess up your box This is the special Blade Show West. Is this the special Blade Show West UTX? Ooh, cool. That's a UTX 85. I have never handled a UTX 85, and now instantly I can see why so many people like this size. I always thought, UTX 85, that's going to be too small for me. Boy, this is like the perfect EDC sized knife. Let's put it up here. Let me compare it with my Combat Troodon, because the Combat Troodon is super cool, but it's gigantic. So let's get this guy open here. There's the Combat Troodon, and here's the UTX 85. Much more EDC friendly, absolutely. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my Combat Troodon, but like I said, I suddenly realized exactly why so many people like the UTX 85. So, well, that was kind of an odd intro to this video. Me trying to replicate the hints he was dropping. Obviously, he was talking about a different package that we will likely unbox at a later date. But these knives will all get their own reviews on this channel. So Shaker, thank you so much once again. At ShakerMT1970 on Instagram. Give this man a follow. These look wonderful. Can't wait. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, guys. Like I said, if you are interested in supporting my channel, I do, of course, daily knife content uploads, reviews, overviews, unboxings, discussion topics, top 5s, top 10s, that I've got a Knife Guy series on Sundays. I will continue to bring daily knife content as long as possible. My Patreon supporters absolutely do help with that. So like I said, if you'd like to become a Patreon supporter, follow the link down in the description and have a look around. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.